To get potato graphics in Fortnite without bug terrain, the very first thing you guys want to do is go over to this GitHub page for the NVIDIA Profile Inspector. This is going to allow us to change the graphics mode in Fortnite to potato quality. So what you're going to do is go ahead and download the NVIDIA Profile Inspector. All right, then you guys want to go ahead and extract this file. Once you have gone ahead and extracted it, go ahead and open it up. And as you guys can see, there's this NVIDIA Profile Inspector.exe. Go ahead and open this up. And then as you guys can see up here where it says Profile, you're going to want to go ahead and search for Fortnite. Go ahead, click on that, and now all these settings are going to pop up for Fortnite. You're going to go down here to where it says transparency, super sampling, and where it says off to multi-sampling. You're going to go ahead and click this little drop down and find the thing that says mode replay all. Go ahead, make sure that's selected. Now you guys are going to go down to where it says driver control load basis. Go ahead and turn that from on to off. And now guys, right here where it says texture filtering LOD, then you guys are going to want to go ahead and type in 0x 6 zeros and then a 45, and make sure that is in both places. Right here where it says allow, you guys want to go ahead and change this to clamp, and then change it from quality to high quality. And guys, once you're done, make sure you also click apply changes, or else the changes will not save. Now guys, X is out, and we're gonna need to do a couple more settings within Fortnite to make sure that our terrain is not bugged. All right guys, and once you're in Fortnite, make sure you go ahead and open up your settings, change your rendering mode to DirectX 12, go ahead and click apply. And if you guys don't have the DirectX setting, go into your Epic Games account, click on the library, click on Fortnite, go ahead and click options, and make sure you have the DirectX 12 shaders enabled, and click apply. Now reopen up Fortnite and go under the tab that says graphics quality. The nanite visualized geometry, make sure you have that turned on. So then turn all three of these off so that we can have potato graphics. Turn your view distance to near, turn your textures to low, turn your effects to low, and change your post-processing to low. And then scroll down to NVIDIA Reflex and turn it on plus boost. Go ahead and click apply. And as you guys can see, now we do have potato graphics in Fortnite. And as you can see, the game is running a lot smoother. Anyways, guys, if this video did help you, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.